What do you know about the Dominican Republic? Here are some facts. Capital: Santo Domingo. Area: 48,670 square kilometers. Population: 10.2 million, and it's mixed: white, Hispanic, and black. Language: official Spanish, but so many people speak English. National currency: peso oro or peso dominicano. Largest city: Santo Domingo. Continent: North America, the Caribbean. National name: República Dominicana. National flag: this is our national emblem. National anthem: the Dominican national anthem. Principal river is called Yaque del Norte. National bird: the palm chat. National flower: Valladolid rose or flor de Valladolid. National fruit: carambola. National tree: mahogany tree. National animal is still the palm chat. National sport is baseball. Thank you.